The quality Mercury is for 63. Fun-loving Mercury Comet. Sparkling, spirited Mercury Meteor. The elegant new Mercury Monterey.
Rarely has a new car feature stirred such interest as this rear window. Mercury Monterey's new Breezeway rear window, key to a new flow-through system of ventilation, permits you to drive in all kinds of weather with vent panes and side windows closed. Greatly reduces those annoyances you find in other cars, like steamy or frosted windows. Not in Mercury Monterey. Dribbling rain from open windows. Not in Mercury Monterey. Blasts of air and outside noise. Not in Mercury Monterey. Backseat freeze. Not in Mercury Monterey. Here's how Breezeway ventilation sweeps away those problems. You open the fresh air controls, shut the side windows and vent panes, and open the rear windows slightly. Air enters, circulates gently, helps distribute heat evenly in winter. Flow-through action sweeps stale air and smoke out the rear window. Enjoy Breezeway ventilation, standard for tomorrow, today in Mercury.